The Insert menu will allow me to add to my Google Sheet. When I click on Insert, my first 6 options are to add rows and columns or to shift my data around. So if I select a row, row 9, and I go to Insert, I can choose to insert a row above or below. If I choose a column, I can go to Insert and I can choose Insert a column left or Insert a column right. If I select a range of data, I can go back to Insert and I can choose to shift the cells down. I can also choose to shift the cells right. Finally, I can insert a chart. So if I select some data, I can click Insert and then Chart. And then I have a chart editor where I can change the type of chart, what axes I see, etc. So if I click where it says Chart Type, I can change the chart type very easily. I can choose if I would like how much stacking that I would like. I can change the range of data. I can add an axis if I want to. I can add a series if I would like to. I can choose to switch the rows and columns to make it look a little differently. I can choose to use a certain row or column as a header. And if I go to Customize, I have a whole lot more options in terms of the appearance of my chart. I can change the chart style, so I can change the background, and I can change the border. I can choose to make this a 3D chart. I can use Compare Mode or Maximize. I can change the font. I can edit the axes, so the title of the whole chart. And then I can change the formatting of the title. I can adjust the series and the legend. And then I can work with the horizontal and the vertical axis in the same way. Finally, I can choose whether or not I see the grid lines and how many grid lines I actually can see. So once you insert a chart, you can move it wherever you would like in your spreadsheet, simply by clicking and dragging around. You can also always click the More button, the 3 dots in the upper corner of your chart, and you can choose to edit the chart just like we did, delete the chart, download just this chart, publish it, copy the chart, move it to its own sheet, or add alternative text if you're maybe going to embed this somewhere. When I click Move to Own Sheet, it makes this chart its own sheet tab. Here I have all of those menu options now at the top.